high dentist, it's P square. Dental cements, zinc phosphate cement is important in practical as well as theory, as a 5-mark short note comes from this in BDS dental material second year exam. Question comes as a short note on zinc phosphate. It is oldest luting cement. Luting means bonding, used for luting of restoration, as high strength base as in case of amalgam restoration, as temporary restorative material, and for luting of orthodontic bands and brackets. Classification, important viva point, its ADS specification number is 96. Type 1, fine grained for luting, film thickness should be 25 micrometer or less. Type 2, medium grained for luting and filling, film thickness should not be more than 40 micrometer. Composition, very important in viva of dental material as well as pre-conservative practical. Powder contains zinc oxide 90.2% principal constituent, magnesium oxide 8.2% aids in sintering. Other oxides like bismuth oxide, calcium oxide, etc. 0.2%, which improves smoothness of mix. 1.4% silica act as filler and aids in sintering. Liquid contains 38.2% phosphoric acid, which react with zinc oxide. 36% water, which controls rate of reaction. Aluminium phosphate or sometimes zinc phosphate 16.2% act as buffer to reduce rate of reaction. Aluminium and zinc are also present. Manufacture, ingredients मिक्स कर हीट करते हैं between 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस, कॉल्ड एज सिंटरिंग, देन क्विकली कूल इट. एकदम से ठंडा करने के कारण मटेरियल में क्रैक आ जाते हैं which help in formation of fine powder during grinding. This process is called fretting. Liquid is prepared by adding aluminium and sometimes zinc or that compound into orthophosphoric acid solution. Setting reaction, जब पाउडर और लिक्विड को मिक्स करते हैं फॉस्फोरिक एसिड फ्रॉम लिक्विड अटैक करता है पाउडर पार्टिकल के सरफेस पर और जिंक आयन रिलीज होते हैं. एल्यूमिनियम एंड फॉस्फोरिक एसिड फ्रॉम लिक्विड और जिंक आयंस जो कि रिलीज हुए थे ड्यूरिंग मिक्सिंग वो जिंक अल्यूमिनो फॉस्फेट कम्प्लेक्स बनाते हैं. This is an exothermic reaction in which set cement has a cored structure consisting primarily of unreacted zinc oxide particles embedded in a matrix of zinc aluminophosphate. Setting time is between 2.5 and 8 minutes. It's under control of manufacturer and operator. Manufacturer process, sintering temperature. सिंटरिंग टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होने से सीमेंट स्लोली सेट होता है. पार्टिकल साइज़, जितना पार्टिकल साइज़ फाइन होगा उतना ही सरफेस एरिया ज़्यादा मिलेगा लिक्विड को रिएक्ट करने के लिए, उतना ही फास्ट रिएक्शन होगी. वाटर कंटेंट ज़्यादा होने से रिएक्शन एक्सेलरेट होगी. सिमिलरली वाटर कंटेंट कम होने से रिएक्शन रिटार्ड होगी. बफरिंग एजेंट्स रिएक्शन को स्लो करते हैं. फैक्टर्स अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ ऑपरेटर जो कि मिक्सिंग करता है. टेम्परेचर, जैसे कि रिएक्शन एक्सोथर्मिक है, हाई टेम्परेचर रिएक्शन को फास्ट करता है, मतलब रिएक्शन फॉरवर्ड मूव करती है जिससे हमें सफिशेंट वर्किंग टाइम नहीं मिलता. पाउडर लिक्विड रेशो, मोर द लिक्विड स्लो द रिएक्शन. रिएक्शन स्लो होगी अगर हम पाउडर को स्लोली इंक्रीमेंट्स में डालें. Properties, compressive strength. Set zinc phosphate cement has a high compressive strength ranging from 104 to 119 megapascal. Strength increases with time and 70% in first 30 minutes and maximum at the end of 24 hours, which is sufficient to use it as base or luting agent. Due to low dissolution of cement, strength reduces in contact with oral fluids or water. Factors affecting strength: powder liquid ratio, more powder, greater the strength; water in liquid, more or less, both decrease the strength. Solubility and disintegration: solubility is low, 0.06% weight, but in mouth disintegration is high over a period of time due to other factors like wear, abrasion, chemical attack, byproducts from decaying food, etc. And solubility is greater in dilute organic acids like lactic acid and citric acid, which is present in our diet. Powder liquid ratio, water content of liquid and moisture contamination affects solubility of cement. Said cement is brittle and weak in tension. It is stiff and resistant to elastic deformation due to comparatively high modulus of elasticity, which is beneficial on restoration subjected to high masticatory stresses. Said cement is opaque. Smaller the particle size, less is film thickness. Moreover, thickness is less than particle size, as during mixing particles are crushed and dissolved. It is good thermal insulator and reduces galvanic shock. That is why it is used as base under amalgam restoration. Adhesion property: its primary retentive mechanism is micromechanical, in which cement is held by mechanical interlocking of the set cement with surface roughness on the teeth and restoration. बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़: जब हम जिंक फॉस्फेट को कैविटी में इंसर्ट करते हैं तब वो हाईली एसिडिक होता है, दैट इज़ pH वैल्यू नियरली 2 ड्यू टू फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. विथ टाइम एसिडिटी कम होती है एंड आफ्टर 24 आवर pH इज़ नियरली 5.5. Pulp response is moderate. Acid in cement can penetrate as great as 1.5 mm of remaining dentine thickness. Pulp protection should be carried out in deep cavity through intervening liner or bases, zinc oxide eugenol, calcium hydroxide or cavity varnish. Manipulation: Viva point. Mixing time is 1 minute 15 seconds and powder liquid ratio is 1.4 gram per 0.5 ml. मिक्सिंग: पाउडर को 3 to 4 स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. लिक्विड को जस्ट बिफोर मिक्सिंग ही ग्लास स्लैब पर डालते हैं. अगर लिक्विड इन्वायरमेंट में ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए एक्सपोज होता है तो वाटर इवेपोरेट हो जाता है. मिक्सिंग इज़ डन विद स्टेनलेस स्टील स्पैचुला यूजिंग brisk circular motion and each increment is mixed for 15 to 20 seconds. Advantages: good compressive strength and thermal insulation, long track record with proven reliability. Disadvantages: no chemical adhesion, no anti-carcinogenic property, pulp irritation and poor aesthetics. Thanks. Make sure to share the knowledge with your friends. Keep supporting.